be optimistic. So due to certain sort of problem, it is also quite sort of sure. Whenever you see we start some good work with sincere motivation, obstacle bound to happen. Then you see there is danger to lose hope and become pessimistic. So that is really real failure if we lost our hope and conviction and remain, I cannot do. That's the real sort of failure. So no matter how difficult it is, you see, we should be more optimistic sort of attitude. That's my own experience. You see, through these difficult decades, I always keep that. And provided we should be truthful, honest, like that.